Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. You need active Icici net banking or iMobile and a linked DMAT/PAN. Once confirmed, log in and navigate to the Investments or IPO/Reshare section. This is where you will initiate the application. You choose the specific reshare offering and verify eligibility criteria, minimum lot size, cutoff price if applicable, and funds available. Make sure your bank mandate allows delivery versus payment. Start the application form and proceed to fill in quantity and price details before moving on. Once done with selection, enter the precise number of shares you want and choose retail or other applicable categories. This affects allotment probability. Make sure your DMAT ID and PAN auto-populate correctly. If not, correct them to avoid rejection. Next, select payment. A SPA for blocked funds, UPI mandate, or net banking, each has different timelines and refund handling. Review allotment preferences and declarations, then submit. The system will prompt for OTP or UPI confirmation to lock your application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation reference. Save it and take a screenshot. Once submitted, monitor the allotment status via your Icici Investments dashboard or DMAT account. Allotment timelines vary, so check regularly. If allotted, shares will credit to your DMAT and excess funds will be refunded automatically. If the application fails or payment is blocked, first verify your bank mandate and available balance. If unresolved, contact Icici support with the ACK ID for quicker resolution and follow up until resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.